Hello, this is Tinaclon. In this video, we will take a look at the 2D generation function of TRION. 2D generation is a function that decomposes a ligand into R group units and then uses reinvent, an AI-based molecular generator. Through this, you can easily explore various structural modifications. Now, let's perform 2D generation directly. First, run Docker. Then, run TRION. In the project window, if you click on New Project, you can see the functions provided by TRION. Here, click on 2D generation. First, upload the structure of the reference compound. You can either input the SMILE string directly or upload the compound's structure file. The keep core structure refers to the part of the structure that remains unchanged. You can specify it by clicking on the atoms of the structure you want to keep. The replace atom point function allows you to set the R groups to be substituted, and the selected atom will be included and substituted as an R group. You can select more than one replace atom point. If selected as shown here, substitutions will occur on both sides. Other parts that are not selected will be excluded during the molecular generation process. We will check this again in the results. In the next step, under Settings, you can enter the project information and specify the molecular generation options. Here, depending on how you define the molecular weight range, the results of the 2D structure generation can vary greatly. Currently, it is set between 200 and 500, but we recommend using the molecular weight of the keep core structure as the minimum value and estimating the desired final molecular weight to set the maximum value. In our example, the molecular weight of the keep core structure is 300.277, so we will set the minimum value to 305. And for the maximum value, we will set it slightly higher than the molecular weight of the reference compound, poziotinib, 500, at 530. After confirming the project information and the generation options, click Compound Generation, and the task will start running.